How bonjour and maganitok. Just gonna give you guys a little help with the pronunciation for the body parts in case you need it. I'm sure you don't. You guys are all awesome Anishinabemowin speakers. So first of all, Owiiyaw. Owiiyaw. Check it out, man. Owiiyaw, my body. Then we have Nishtigwan. Nishtigwan, right here. Nishtigwan. And Nuin is this. Nuin is this, my hair, or Nuin is the sun. Nuin is the sun, my hairs. Then after that, Natawag, or see if I could put you down there for a second. Natawagan. Natawagan. What's next here? Nishkijik. Nishkijigon. Nichan, Nitun, Nitun, Nichan, Nishkijigon. Nikoyagan, my neck. Ninik, my arm. Ninikan, my arms. Tusquan, my elbow. Tusquanug, my elbows. Ooh, yeah. Ninij. Ninijin, Ninisiganinjan, Ninisiganinjan, my finger, Ninisiganinjanan, my fingers, Ninisiganinjanan, my fingers. Nakakigan, my chest, Nakakigan, my chest, Nimisat, Nimisat, my stomach. I'm going to need some flexibility for this. Nakat, my leg. Nakatan, my legs. Nigitik, my knee. Nigitikuk, Nigitikuk, my knees. Nizit, my foot. Nizitan, my feet. Nanisigizitan, my toe. Nanisigizitan, my toe. Nanisigizitanan, my toes. Nanisigizitanan, my toes. Now the final word is skigum. Skigum. That's Anishinabemowin for snot. Oh, I think I got some on you there. A little bit of ski gum on the lens there. Not so bad, eh? Ski gum for snot. And the bonus word is Chichi Boteki Kiziabeteo Kizibigaigan. Let me see if I got that right here. Chichi Boteki Kiziabeteo Kizibigaigan. Chichi Boteki Kiziabeteo Kizibigaigan. Elephant toothpaste. Chichibotiki Kiziabeteo Kizibigaigan. Or we could just stick with ski gum, and then everyone's happy. Miigwechin de nuevo, magnifico.